Hey guys, it's NovaGamer09 here. Today we're doing another video. Oh my god, the fan. I'm gonna turn off the fan.
Unplug it. Unplug it now.
Which one? Which one? Which one do I got? What the? Whoa! Okay, so what I'm gonna be showing you today is gonna be a little different from all my other videos. One day my cat's in the corner. Say hi! Anyways, we're gonna be making seasons, 30 episodes a season. Showing off cars. So each 8 cars. Each 8 cars each episode. So I'm probably gonna have a hard time digging all of those cars, all of those cars into it and putting them into a bag. Well, I think that this is gonna be enough for now, and then later, later on, when all these bags are finished, I'm probably just gonna to dig out new ones. Anyways, I'm just gonna put on my hat. I don't want to talk about the videos. So we're gonna be doing a racetrack thing later on in the day. So get ready for that. And shout out to Pika Game, and no, not Pika Game. Shout out to MLG Gamer 12. Shout out to him. I feel good for you that you just got like 30 subscribers or something. You're way ahead of me right now, dude. Anyways, just share my YouTube channel with everybody and all that. Yeah. Peace out.